like that. I'm really happy right now. And a little modification, we got the 034 Motorsport Stage 1 to do today. OBD port connection. She's heavy. Stage 1, 91, 445 horsepower, 427 torque. We throw E85 in there, we're gonna get 552 horsepower, 477 torque. That's insane. So we're gonna go stage 1. I can hit next, flash it. Here we go. Program completed, please power off the ignition. Got our controller information, hit next. All info, flash it. TCU complete, turn off the ignition again. All right, it's the same. Not too bad. I'm just gonna get used to it a little bit. Oh, let's go! Dude, these are like really refined little burbles we got going on here. My style. Oh, it hits boost hard now. She's got a little attitude now. Flooring it. Oh gosh, 4,000. Oh.
30. 60.
To flash with the 85 stage 1 file that's like over 500 horsepower. I have no idea what that feels like. All-wheel drive. You definitely don't know what that feels like. All-wheel drive. Just like that. We're done. Alright, let's see what this feels like. Dude, oh my god. It started slipping from a roll. Oh my, I'm like shaking. 034 Motorsport dog bone mount. Mounting point here. We got another one right here. Here's our stock guy right here. Now let's go grab the new one. Oh yeah. Nice piece to hold all this power. Got my upper insert. Depending on the generation of the car, this is gonna slide up in here. Lube this part up. Super. Ooh, wow. That is clean. 034, high quality sticker, color coordinated air filter.
Wiggle this free.
These two clips are different sizes. Tucked up right here. People are gonna ask you what it is. Simple 2-volt situation. Sweet. Under the hood test, here we go. Money. See how tight that bolt is around. One bracket, two bracket. Oh my gosh. Sheesh. This is baller. Here, size reference. Love to see it. These are gonna look really nice. The rear diffuser. Front lip, lots of 3M adhesive. Nice. Who went rallying? It's way more aggressive. It literally comes off the back of the bumper now. That looks sick. It looks so good. It makes my eyes kind of watery how happy it makes me. Oh, it's so subtly good. Front lip looks good. Love that. If you enjoyed this satisfying process, you can click this video right here. This will take you over to installing some aero on our Turbo FRS that Carbon Speed team is giving away. Appreciate you guys. See you over there. Some sweet carbon fiber pieces on there. Some more traction in third gear because we have downforce, bunch of stuff. See you over there.